In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger a Slack message via webhook from a Firebase function. If you're building a Dialogflow chatbot and want to alert your team when a user asks for human help or needs escalation, this setup is a practical way to do it. The idea is simple. Your bot captures the user's request, sends that information through a Firebase fulfillment function, and posts a notification directly into Slack. First, you need to generate an incoming webhook URL inside Slack. Open the Slack apps page in your browser, then either create a custom app or open an existing internal app that you want to use for notifications. In the app settings, go to the left sidebar and find the incoming webhook section under Features. Turn incoming webhooks on. After that, scroll down and choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Select the Slack channel where you want these alerts to appear, then approve the connection. Once Slack generates the webhook URL, copy it and keep it somewhere secure because that URL is what your function will use to deliver messages. Next, move into Dialogflow and open your agent. From the left side menu, go to Fulfillment and enable the inline editor. This gives you an embedded fulfillment environment powered by Firebase Cloud Functions. Then open the package configuration file and make sure you have an HTTP request library available, such as Axios. This is important because your function needs a reliable way to send a post request to Slack. Now switch to your main index.js file and add the asynchronous handler that will send the notification. Start by requiring Axios at the top of the file. Inside your handler, capture the user's query from the Dialogflow agent object, along with the session identifier. Then define a variable for the Slack webhook URL, but do not hardcode any real secret value into shared code. Use your secure webhook value there. After that, build the Slack payload. The example uses a simple blockkit message with a top-level alert text, followed by a section header and fields for the session ID and the user's original query. This structure makes the alert much easier for your team to read once it lands in Slack. Finally, send the payload using Axios post. If the request succeeds, return a friendly response to the user letting them know that a team member has been alerted. If it fails, log the error and send back a fallback response explaining that there was an issue connecting to human support. That's the full flow. Create the webhook in Slack, enable inline fulfillment in Dialogflow, confirm your dependency, and add the Firebase handler that posts the alert. Keep your webhook private, test with a sample escalation intent, and you'll have real-time Slack notifications working smoothly.